millions in TikToks in down. If you can see my TikTok videos, I have more millions in down. Okay? Magpapasalamat lang po ako kasi 2 days just holding hands my husband, I got 2.1 million. Okay? Just holding hands, naka 2.1 million ako ngayon. 3 po ang million ko dumating sa TikTok ko. Ang lalaki, alhamdulillah. Thank you so much for the blessing. At soon, inshallah, I will open my public and Instagram. Kasi sabi ni Mr. Just open your Instagram. Kasi lagi po ako sumusunod. I need to obey my husband. If he said, no, don't open, I never open. Now, he said, you can open Instagram. Because a lot of earning this sa Instagram, inshallah. I will open, inshallah. But in Snapchat, nagbabiral po yung mga videos ko sa Snapchat. I cannot control, wallahi. I cannot control my Snapchat because I have more followers. I have more followers. Inshallah, I coming 100K in followers in Snapchat. But Snapchat is bigger than the earnings. Malaki po ang Snapchat dito. Kapag monetize ka sa Snapchat here in Saudi Arabia, you can earn more money, okay? And TikTok, pag wala kang benta, but hindi po ako nagbibenta, okay? Nagla-live po ako, lagi po ako I won always in live in TikTok because I have more followers. They give me a gift, okay? Salamat po sa mga followers ko. We love you guys. Ang bait mo, Madam, yes. Inside and out, mabait po ako. But, matapang po ako. I think you know. Thank you so much for 10 stars. Thank you po. Sino po yun? Ang bilis ang comment. Thank you, Mada. Thank you to all. Wala, we love you all. Wala po akong pinipili kung sino po ang love ko sa followers. But, when noong 25 po, nagbigay ang anak ko ng mga, 27, okay, 27, my daughter, she give you GCash, okay, the 30%. Salamat po sa lahat na nabigyan ko ng GCash kasi po wala pong natanggap ni ang anak ko po ay nagreklamo po sa GCash. Alhamdulillah. Thank you so much po. At neighbor ko po ipopost ang tinulungan ko po kasi ayoko po ipopost kasi iba po ang Muslim kapag pinost mo ang naibigay mo na GCash, wala na po yung blessing for Allah, okay? Thank you so much po. We love you guys. Kunti lang po kasi magre-reply ako sa inyong lahat, inshallah. Ano po ang trabaho mo, sis? I have 2 jobs, okay? Lagi po sinasabi, anong trabaho mo, anong lahi mo po? Lagi po sinasabi sa inbox ko po, okay? I am Maranao. I came from Marawi City. My father's Maranao. Pure po ako na Maranao, alhamdulillah. Hindi ko po ikakaya ako ay Maranao, taga Maranao. I proud of Philippines, okay? Pinay po ako. But almost Saudi, in Arab people in TikTok, they said I'm Saudi, but I'm not Saudi because my family name there in the TikTok is Saudi, okay? My husband to put his family name. But alhamdulillah, thank you po. And may nag-comment, ano po yung work mo? I'm working in a hospital. Then, night, I'm working. After that, my hospital, I'm going to office. I'm auditor from the company of my husband. Thank you so much po. Yung nagre-reply lang po ako sa mga comment ninyo. Okay? Assalamualaikum. Mukhtar. Saudi, mawjud. Mashallah, mashallah. Hina Jeddah, mawjud. Alhamdulillah. Buenos dias. May pumasok na Spanish. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Estoy bien, gracias. Otra vez. Ana malum. I can speak what is this? Spanish kasi may pumasok na hola me. Meaning to say Spanish siya. Hola, estoy bien, gracias. Otra vez. Okay? Alhamdulillah. Yusuf, Tikay, alhamdulillah. Married? Yes, I'm married. Hindi ko po ikakayaan married, okay? Anong lahi mo po, ate? Anong lahi mo? I'm proud of Filipina, okay? Hindi ko po ikakaya, I'm proud of Filipina. Lahi ko po ay Maranao, okay? I came from Marawi City. I born in Marawi City po, okay? Yung nag-PPM sa akin ay, ang sabi ng mga kababayan kong Maranao, hindi po ako totoong Maranao. Ito po, nagsasalita po ako ng Maranao. Mapipiyatanusan. Kasi ang sabi nila, hindi daw ako Maranao. Hindi, I born in Maranao. I born in Marawi City po, okay?